Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will bring down all your toggles, and you're looking simply for the power saving mode. Now it could be named power saving or battery saver, as it's right here. And once you see this toggle, simply tap on it, click on turn on, and that's it. Your power saving mode is now enabled, and you can also see this on inside of the battery. It changes the color of the filling of it to indicate that the mode is right now running, as well as also it enables dark mode. Now once you're done saving your power, you can find this toggle once more and simply tap on it once again to undo all the changes. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.